Hello and welcome to one of our product review and unboxing videos. Today we're looking at a product made by AirWick. They're quite a reputable brand. They make all sorts of air fresheners. And today in this video we're looking at the Freshmatic automatic sprayer. It gives you 24/7 sprays at timed intervals. Comes in
Claims 70 days of freshness.
70 days of freshness, and it comes with, in this particular kit, it comes with these fragrances. So we've got Spring Delight, Soft Cotton, and Cherry Blossom, and you can buy the refills from them in whatever fragrance you prefer.
This was on a deal from Amazon. It was about 15 quid. The reason we bought one of these is we've got them elsewhere and they are really good.
So they take 2 AA batteries and they have a timer system in the dots, but we'll show that in a minute. And it's basically automatic, and you can put them anywhere in your home. Obviously the fragrances suit different areas.
So with this one we got 2 of those.
So we got 2 Spring Delights. They include one in the box
Kit, and if I remember rightly, that just opens up.
Ah, they changed it to 1 battery. Okay, so the version, they've improved this since we had it. We've got another one of these and they've improved it. This has 1 battery now, which I guess saves costs.
Now, if I remember rightly, battery goes in there. So the flat end against the spring. Now, in there, I can't quite see that, but there's different size light spray things.
Yeah.
So furthest to...
Is it so defaultly it's in the off position?
Yeah.
But obviously you can put that on the, you have to move that on the first one for it to start working.
Right, so further to the right it's off, and then you can see the different size the more often you want it coming out, basically. Yeah. So that's it powered up. Right, okay, it's easy enough to do. And then we will have, you can hear it ticking away now, Spring Delight, I think. And from what I remember, if you see in there, it's got like a round bit and a long bit, and that literally drops in there like that.
What you want to do, you want to put that in there, so apologies for that, they've changed the design a little bit here. This is a brand new one.
Oh right, so
you push it into the base first, okay, and I've got to say this is a better design.
Definitely, and then you line it up in there with that.
Yeah. And you click, and that's basically it done. Yeah. And after a while that will just do a quick like that, and you'll get it. And obviously, depending how much fragrance you want, you can just increase this.
Yeah.
So that's right up. That's like high setting.
Kick off a minute. Can I just give people a little bit of advice with this? If you're putting it in the bathroom or anywhere, try and raise it either above windowsill level or away from the windowsill, because there you go.
There you go. See,
and it smells lovely, and that is definitely Spring Delight.
I can smell that from here. I'm quite a ways.
Yeah, it's
I'm
really
all the way here.
Personal preference.
And you can smell it
because I've got one of these in the.
Smells like laundry stuff. That does.
It's nice and fresh linen. That's what it smells like.
Yeah.
I've got one of these in the toilets on a windowsill level. Now, if you happen to go in the toilet to brush your teeth or anything, and it's facing you, you do get a mouth. I'm just saying, just
so have it facing
be conscious
away.
Of the level of it and children. That's what I'm trying to say. Because if you've got a kid that high, and it's on a windowsill, low windowsill, it'll, you know what I'm saying, and the asthmatic or something. So just be aware of that. That's all. Do
you want to get the other one from the bathroom? Obviously, if you're watching this video, you probably haven't got one of these, and you're wondering if they're any good, which they are. But we do a quick comparison between the old model and this model. I've got to say this model. It's definitely better. It's got a fair amount of weight to it as well. So obviously the
do you know, I
sprays.
Until you say that. So this is the
old model. And as you can see, it's a lot more bigger, and the design looks a lot better.
So before you'd
still push it in the bottom like that.
Cans are the same. So that's it. So it'll all work with it.
So it means these cans work with the new and the old. And let's have a look in the top one. And that's
2 batteries.
Oh, this one takes 2 batteries. 2 batteries, and has the
same sort of symbols, isn't it?
I don't know if this old one lasts longer. I don't think it does. But the new one is way better.
Thinking out loud, from an environmental perspective, because it takes 1 battery.
Yeah.
That's got to be a better thing, surely. I know people say, well, it's not very environmental, you have sprays and chemicals around, but if you need them, you need them. So that's better. I think the design is nicer. definitely.
What's really nice about these is you can have them set up around the home and they just work automatically. And occasionally you might have to replace the canister and the battery, but it just does it automatically, so you know it's been taken care of for you. And they aren't that much money either for what they offer.
No, I mean, I think they're it's quite clear what they are.
But just to make a point though, 70 days of freshness, up to 70 days of freshness. Well,
that'll be on the minimum.
That will be on the minimum setting.
So
yeah.
I'll move back and then back. And I guess you need to check your battery every so often. That's not rechargeable, is it?
No.
No.
Minimum setting. So just bear that in mind. If you have it whacked up on the top one, it's going to last. Well.
So if you've got a few of these, it might be an idea to get some rechargeable batteries. There it goes again. You see they're all both at it. Yeah. Like, they're like, well, I wouldn't say twins.
They're not twins, but they're
this is like,
definitely related, all right.
Yeah, this is the older sister, and this is the new one. But
the new one looks so much better, though, doesn't it? I mean, even aesthetically, it looks a lot more.
I mean,
AirWicky.
Does this remind you of something? Watch. I mean, that's more glass shape, isn't it?
Yeah,
Whereas
that's more.
That is like
compact
an
and modern looking.
It's like a vase.
It's more compact and modern looking.
Yeah, yeah.
You'd expect it to look like that, yeah.
With the feature there, it's clever, really nice. They've added a bit of colour with the grey,
so it's neutral to any home.
It'd be nice if they had a different colour in there, but I suppose they're trying to keep everything neutral.
Yeah, exactly.
But yeah, vast improvement with the product.
Is there anything else in the box we can say? Because if you are thinking about buying one of these, and we try and make this video as detailed as possible.
Yeah, don't put your batteries in the fire. Or the bin.
They are apparently flammable containers like most sprays. They are basically a aerosol spray.
Go injuring your bin men, that's what we're trying to say.
Automatic fragrance delivery, controlled intensity, which we've discussed via the button. The fragrance lasts up to 70 days. Neutralised smell is based on the lowest setting, which we just made out. And it's suitable for the toilet, the bathroom, or the kitchen, or even a bedroom really, but you want them at
I wonder if AirWick are watching this video. And it's highly unlikely. Can you confirm whether you can recycle this? Is this recyclable plastic you can stick in your plastic bin?
Might have a mark on the bottom.
Obviously, not the batteries, but
this has a mark on the bottom of it. So PP, or that's what it's made out of, and
so you probably can
if you know if it takes recycling of that
obviously
plastic.
The lids you can.
Yeah.
So that'd be quite handy for something, I suppose.
So. Thanks for watching. We do product reviews on these various things for home, so if you'd like to see some more videos like this, then subscribe and help us out.
Oh, hang on. Induced with natural essential oils. Oh, right, okay. So I don't know what that means for us, but ethanol helpers.
Carries the fragrance, that fires it out.
Oh, right.
Butane, propane propels the fragrances.
Okay, that might be of use to somebody. Spray automatically releases bursts of fragrance to constantly freshen up your home and neutralise odours.
It does neutralise odours, yeah.
And hence, if we just aim down a minute.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you've got a busy home, this type of thing definitely makes everything.
And 250 ml. Hey, there's a recycle. Look, sorry, apologies.
Widely recycled. This might just be the box though. Don't know if it's the whole thing.
Yeah.
But let's just say it's the whole thing, yeah.
There's full instructions on the top as well, so
yeah, we won't labour the point.
That's how far it'll. That's how far you should have it off the ground.
Okay, so it says you should have it off the ground by 2 meters or 6 foot. So you get.
No, that's odd.
Yeah, but we've not had a problem with it, have we?
It says it's for.
Where would you put this? You could put.
See, look, there we go. This is this. No, I can understand why.
See, there we go. Look,
I have been a casualty of a spray in the face.
Yeah, so toilet is high up.
So just bear that in mind.
Bathroom, it's on top of something.
And even the kitchen, it's on the worktop and high. So that's actually on a microwave mounted on the wall. So that is definitely sort of safe.
Yeah, because obviously building regulations.
So don't put these at eye level. That's what I'm trying to say to you.
Put them up high.
Apologies, I haven't seen that, but it's quite obvious now.
Yeah.
I pretty much say
because you want the fragrance to spray out and dissipate throughout the room. That's the idea of it. Yeah.
Yeah, not in your eyes.
Yeah.
As I got.
Or pets or children. Yeah.
And we have got spring. As I got it's nice, but a mouthful of spring delight in the morning. Does take the taste of your coffee away. I'll tell you that now. Anyway, thanks for watching.
Okay, thanks for watching.